Okay, today we'll be learning about how to combine two figures together or two solids together and find the volume or the surface area of that figure. Okay, let's take a small example. Okay, so this is a toy. What is it? A toy that consists of a cylinder and also a hemisphere. What? Hemisphere from both the sides. Okay, so I can, if I rub this and I have welded this, you know what is welding, right? मैंने वेल्ड कर दिया एक सिलेंडर को और दो हेमिस्फीयर को दोनों साइड पे, सो द it looks something like this. Okay, so it is made out of how many figures? Total of three figures. How? This is first figure, this is second, and this one is third. And there are, one is what? Cylinder, the other two are hemisphere. How to find the volume or the surface area? We need to understand this very carefully. So first of all, I'll be finding surface area of a cylinder. What will I be doing? Finding the surface area of a cylinder. And then I'll be adding surface area of hemisphere. Okay, and I'll be multiplying the surface area of hemisphere into 2. Why? Because how many hemispheres are there? I'll get my answer. So how to find the surface area of a cylinder? Pi r square h. Right? Pi r square h. Is that right or wrong? This is wrong. Okay, it's not pi r square h. Please try and understand that. It is what? 2 pi r h. This is the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, what is the surface area of a hemisphere? Surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square into 2. But this is wrong as well. Why wrong? Because जब हम hemisphere ढूंढ रहे हैं, जब मैंने आपको hemisphere का फॉर्मूला सिखाया था, तो मैंने बताया था when we include this part, या फिर मैंने ऐसे करके बताया था आपको पहले वीडियोस में, when we include this part, then we say it's 3 pi r square. But when we are not including this part, then I'll say, how much is it? Yes, 2 pi r square into 2, and then you'll get your answer. Okay, so आपके पास ये 2 into 2 4 हो जाएगा, 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square, and then it's gonna be easy to understand कि कुछ कॉमन लेना है, कॉमन ले लो, पहले कॉमन लेना है, फिर जो भी, जैसे 2 कॉमन है, पाई कॉमन है और r कॉमन है, बाहर ले लो. यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 2 हो गया, r यहाँ पे h बचा प्लस 2 r. इसको सॉल्व करो, जो भी आती है वैल्यू फिर इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाई? बिकॉज सम ऑफ यू गाइस, you might do something like this. You might first find the area, surface area of the cylinder separately, and then you will find separately surface area of the hemisphere. कभी कभी आपका पॉइंट्स में आएगा आंसर, and then you will be confused पॉइंट सही है कि नहीं है. So directly do something like this and then put the values. अब यहाँ पे values put करना, और same you have to do the question same like this. Okay, for volume also, you what you need to do, volume of the cylinder plus volume of hemisphere plus volume of this hemisphere. Add all three of them and then put the values. Okay, we'll work on one or two examples, and then I think it's gonna be a real help for you guys how to do those examples, and then you can do some of the questions that are related to surface area and volume of combination of solids. Okay, see you in doing some examples. Okay, now we'll understand how to find the inner surface area of this. What is inner surface area? Actually, this is one of the example given in your books. This is example number 2 from page number 414. Okay, today we'll understand how to find the surface area of this. Okay, Let's take an example, but first of all we need to figure out what are the two figures that are attached together or welded together. So you can see this is called what? Hemisphere, and this is what? Cylinder. Okay, so they have combined two figures or two solids together, and then they have made a toy or a vessel. कटोरा भी हो सकता है, ग्लास भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, now you need to understand one thing, that when we add both of them, so this is a hollow, it means I can move my hand inside this vessel. So they are asking the surface area, inside surface area. Okay, and they have given me inside what? Diameter. So obviously radius is gonna be what? 7 centimeter. Radius is gonna be what? 7 centimeter. What is the, if this is the radius is 7 centimeter, what is the radius of this? This is also gonna be 7, and from here to here ये भी कितना होगा? 7 centimeter. जब यहाँ से यहाँ तक 7 है, तो what is this gonna be? Think about it. 6 centimeter. How much? 6. So I know the height of the cylinder now. What is the height of the cylinder? 6 centimeter. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find the I'm gonna find first for this. Okay, or I can directly solve this question. How to? Inner surface area equals to, I'll write with black pen so that it is much more visible for you guys. That is 2 pi RH plus, how to find the area of this? 2 pi r square. Okay, so that is how you'll find inner surface area of this vessel. Okay, now you guys can see something there is common. What is common? 2 pi is common, r is common. What is left? H plus r is left, right? You don't have to do anything now. You just have to put the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into what is r? 7 into h is what? 6 plus r is what? 7, right? Now 7 and 7 get cancelled out, so 2 into 22 into 6 plus 7 is 13. Multiply everything and you'll get your answer. I'm sure for that. Okay, so if you multiply that, you'll definitely get your answer as 572 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because with this centimeter comes, with this centimeter comes this centimeter. जब इसको सेंटीमीटर, इसके साथ सेंटीमीटर आएगा, सेंटीमीटर तो नहीं कटा, सेंटीमीटर इसके साथ हो गया और इसके साथ भी 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो कितने सेंटीमीटर हो गए? 2. एंड जब एरिया की बात होती है तब हमेशा क्या होता है? स्क्वायर ही आता है सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में, और जब वॉल्यूम ढूंढेंगे तब 3 आता है क्यूब. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. Okay, so I don't know what kind of a figure is this, but this is an example number 5. Okay, and example number 5, I want you guys to go ahead and read example number 5 from page number 415, that is also called 415. Okay, in this example we'll be looking at the edges are given. These edges are given as how much? 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, and the radius, diameter is given 4.2. I'll write with some other pen. This is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, just for your kind information, अगर आप खाली ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं and you're not listening, going back and stopping the video and going and reading the question, you won't understand anything when I'm telling the examples. So what you need to do when you're looking at this video, you really need to go to your books, open up the books, read the example, try understanding on your own. You won't be able to understand, and then come and look at the video. Then only there's importance of looking at the video. Otherwise you're wasting your time because you won't understand again. Okay, and you won't understand how to do the questions that are lying in the exercise as well. So most important thing is open up your book, read the examples, and then see whether you guys can do it or not. And if you're not able to, then please see the video for continue forward. Okay, I don't know what is this, but this looks like something like Vanshika's cap. So if you guys can laugh about something, at least you can't just so what I need to do over here is I need to find the total surface area. Total surface area of this figure. total surface area of this figure can be found out by surface area of cube plus surface area of the hemisphere, right? Plus surface area of hemisphere. But in this I need to be very careful about one more thing, that मैं ये पूरा ऐड तो कर रहा हूँ, पर जहां पे मैंने ये हेमिस्फीयर रख दिया ना, वहां पे क्या नहीं आ रहा है, वहां पे एक सर्कल बन रहा है और वहां पे गड्ढा है। तो मतलब मैंने तो ये सरफेस एरिया जब क्यूब लिया तो ये भी आ गया उसमें जो सर्कल है, तो उसको हटाऊं, वो यूज ही नहीं करना है। तो इन दोनों को ऐड करके माइनस क्या करने हैं, जगह नहीं तो आई एम राइटिंग इट ओवर हियर माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर। I can explain you that in a very easy way. Just imagine that we have a box. We have a box. Just give it to me like that. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So, I don't know if I have a proper box or not, but I have a box like this. You guys can see the box. Okay, now what needs to be done in this, there's a, let's say there's a sphere over this. Now I need to find the area of this surface area of this whole box, right? And but wherever I have kept the sphere, that circle should not be covered, okay, because there's a hole. Okay, so I don't need to cover, if I have kept this sphere over here, so this area, this circle area, I don't need to cover, or I don't need to add. So I need to remove this circle area. Okay, how to remove this circle area? By subtracting. That's why I have subtracted pi r square. Is that clear? Okay, now I'll be finding the value surface area of a cube. How to find the surface area of the cube? देखो क्यूब की सारी साइड से इक्वल होती है, यहाँ पे एक का सरफेस एरिया कैसे ढूंढना है, एक का एरिया कैसे ढूंढना है, साइड इनटू साइड, पर कितनी साइड्स होती हैं, 6। तो आपका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, 6s स्क्वायर प्लस surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, right, minus pi r square. I hope you understood why I am subtracting, है ना। You can also understand कि जहाँ पे मैंने sphere रखा है वो सर्कल, जहाँ पे रखा है sphere रखा है वहाँ पे सर्कल बन रहा है, that is not supposed to be included with this surface area of a cube. So 6 into 5 centimeter square, okay, मतलब 5 को into 5 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. What is r? R is what? Radius is 4.1. Sorry, 4.2 was the diameter, so 2.1. Okay, into 2.1 minus what I have to subtract, 22.7 into 2.1 into 2.1. Is that okay? तो जब आप सबसे पहले, अगर आपको फॉरवर्ड नहीं करना है, इतना सारा खेल खुल नहीं करना है, तो आप एक सिंपल चीज कर सकते हैं। आप क्या कर सकते हैं, 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर में से एक पाई आर स्क्वायर गया तो कितना बचा, पाई आर स्क्वायर, सिंपल। और फिर आप इसको 6 5 जा 30 एंड 30 into 5 150 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर प्लस 22/7 into 2.1 into 2.1, 7 1 जा 7 0.3, and then multiply everything, 150 centimeter square plus 22 into 0.3 into 2.1, you'll get an answer as you'll get your answer, okay, but at the end you'll get your answer as 163.86 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, 150 तो ऑलरेडी आ गई है, 163 बता रहा है। 163 कैसे आएगा, आपको बस इनको मल्टीप्लाई